Saber Tire and Wheel Cleaner Plus from Cougar Chemical is a powerful detergent that focuses on performance and user comfort. We use an easy-to-grip spray bottle and sprayer that is comfortable, recyclable, and usable. The non-acid formula will not cause skin burns or coughing fits, and it's safe on all automotive finishes. To clean your tires and wheels, first wet down the wheel and make sure they're cool to the touch. Liberally spray Saber on all surfaces. Lightly scrub the wheel with a soft body brush. You can clean the inside of the wheels with a bent spoke brush. Follow up in small areas like lug nuts with a small parts brush. While you're in there, go ahead and clean the inner wheel liners using the same method. Rinse with water and air or towel dry. Finish off with Cougar's High Gloss Tire Shine. Just mist on the tire and work in the product with a damp applicator pad. We call it Plus because you can use it on fuel doors, engine compartments, door jambs, and use it to remove bugs. Dilute it 10:1 and use it on all interior surfaces including your dash, upholstery, fabric, and carpet. You can get Cougar Saber Tire and Wheel Cleaner Plus at cougarchemical.com.